Hey Kipsters, it's Mr. Dudley here speaking, and today I am going to go through the pages that we will be reading for today's lesson. The book for the lesson today is titled Planets, and it was written by Elizabeth Carney. She's the author. It was published by National Geographic. I'm not going to go over the back of the book. Today, we will be reading from What's a Planet on page 4 to The Gas Giants, which ends on page 17, actually. So I'm going to start off by reading through pages 4 through 7. I'm going to break each section up, and we're going to stop and talk about each section of the book together. So I'm going to break these videos up into 4 different videos. So please follow along as I read through pages 4 through 7 right now. The heading for this section is titled, What's a Planet? Page 4. This is page 5. Circle, circle in the sky. You're bright enough to catch my eye. You're not a star, but a place where gas or rocks swirl in space. And then we have a little information box down here that's titled Space Clues. Gas, something that has no shape or size of its own. Gas can spread out into the space around it. So gas is kind of like air in the sense that it has no real shape. It kind of just moves wherever it wants to move in the space around it. And then a star is a huge ball of hot gas that makes heat and light. So a star is actually made out of gas. That's why they're so bright. I'm going to move on to page 6. The heading for this section is Hello Planets. When you look up high in the night sky, you might see lots of bright lights. Most of these lights are stars. So when we look up in the night sky, most of the stuff that we're seeing are bright lights, and those are stars. Another space clue box. Orbit, the path an object follows around another object, such as a star. So the planets take an orbit around the sun. So to reflect means to bounce back. So we're going to go over this next page, which will tell us a little more about how the planets reflect. On page 7 now. Most stars have planets moving around them. Planets are round objects that orbit a star. They don't create their own light. They only reflect light from stars. So if you look up in the night sky and you see some bright lights, and you might think that that's a planet or something, the planet is not creating that light. They're getting the light from the stars. So the planets are reflecting light from the stars, and that's why we're able to see planets at night too, because they're reflecting the light from the stars around them. I'm going to stop right there on page 7. I want you to answer the next few questions on your slide and then move on, and we'll continue reading together. Thank you.